So this is section 3.6, polynomials in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 1 like it was in the previous section, so we're going to extend our strategies to multiply and factor trinomials. So looking at example 1, we're going to multiply 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. We have 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. And we can see the answer works out to be 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We can also do this using algebra by using the distributive property twice. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 1 is 3. We can then combine the two like terms in the middle. So we get 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 for our solution. So you can see how you can form the trinomial by multiplying two binomials. With example B, we can do the same thing. We can use the rectangle model here instead of algebra tiles. So we're going to put 2x and negative 1 on the side. We'll put 3x and positive 2 on the top. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So we get 6x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 2. Again, we can simplify these like terms in the middle to get 6x squared plus x minus 2. And we should get the same answer if we multiply it out using the distributive property. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Again, we can combine these like terms in the middle, and you get 6x squared plus x minus 2 for your solution.